We finished. Thank you. We finished overview in our last class. We are moving towards profit when my internet start misbehaving. Okay. We're on lab 9, right? Create Power BI dashboard. No? Is that what we are doing?
I think we were about to start on the new page, which is where we stopped.
That should be, sorry. I'm coming. No, sure. Since we've done this, there is lab 9, dashboard. Coming. Design report. Okay, sorry. We are designing our reports. Okay, we'll finish this part. One minute. Let me locate. Okay, done this. Okay, sorry, this is where we are. We want to do the design page 2. That's when you say, when you've completed the design, the page will look like I show you. I remember I show you this. That is the way our page will look like. You remember?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. So, and I said the new page will be, you call it profit. This is where we stop. Then I now said, add a slicer based on the region field. Okay. So we want to put a slicer on the region field. So we come to this slicer, click on this, drag it down like this. So put slicer on the page 2. Now put your region field, come to your region. Put your region, check your region here, and you now have this. Then now say come to the format under the slicer header. Make the header, remember we are going to be using Time Romans, this. Make this guy 20 and make it bold. Under your slicer, setting limit as vertical list. Under your selection, show select all. You do that. So come to your value. Make this one 15. So that it may be good. Okay. So we've done that. Have you done your own?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, add a matrix visual and resize it to position so it fills the remaining space of the record page. So come to your format visual. Here is a matrix visual. Oh no. Is that? Make sure you click outside so that you deselect. So click on your matrix visual and you now drag it to the other side. Okay, like this. Then drag it to fill the remaining part of your view, like that. Have you done that?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, go to your date. This thing is missing a Mariam system. You don't have this date table. So that means you miss a long track. So expand this and check your date fiscal so that you put your filter date on the system like this. Okay. Then format your date fiscal, your fiscal year. So come to the format. Here you have your set your column heading. Sorry. Column header, Romans. Make this one 20. And make it bold. Because it's the top, sorry, bold. Then the row headers. Make the row headers Time Romans. Make it 18. We are not going to make it bold this time around. The value that will be in the value times Romans, then make this 15. There is something I wanted to, under the row subtotals, okay? Scroll down under rows, subtotal, position of my subtotal, I want it to be at the bottom. You will see by the time we are continuing. So that's the format I want on my this thing. So having done that, add the following 5 sales table. We want to add the first thing we want to add is orders. So we'll come to your sales. Under the count folder, click on others. You have this there. Okay. The next one you have after your order is sales. Here is your sales. Check it. You're going to put your sales there. The next thing you are going to have is your cost. Check your cost. And the next thing you are going to have is your profit. Here is your profit. Check profit. And the final one is profit margin. So this gives me, okay. You can use this days fork down arrow to expand. Click on it. Can you see? So you can see all your orders for financial year 2018, 173, for quarter 1, quarter 2, 193, quarter 3, 183, quarter 4, 190, and the total for the whole quarter is 739. Look at your financial year 2019. These are all you have in quarter 1 to 4 total. In your financial year 2020, this is all you have. And you now have your final total for the 3 years below. Can you see that? Again, you may still want to see the breakdown of your quarters. Can you see that? For your quarter 1, say all the order for July, August, September, the total you have for quarter 1. Quarter 2, October, November, December total. Quarter 3, January, February, March total. In quarter 4, you only have April alone, and that is 37, and the total for the whole of the 4 years is below. And as you are looking at your orders, look at your sales. You can see the breakdown of your sales and the final total. You can see the breakdown of your cost in July. This is how much you spend to cost of your production. Okay? In August, this is cost of your production. September, cost of production. Look at all the cost of your production and the total cost of your production. Profit is the difference between your sales and your cost. Okay? This is your profit for July, August, September, and quarter 1. This is your profit for quarter 2, quarter 3. The breakdown you have there like that. Okay? Right? And you have your profit margin. The percentage of your profit margin is what you have there. Hello? Am I communicating? Good. So you can collapse your table like this. Now, if you want to see breakdown of your order, sales, cost, profit on regional basis, and let me break it down. Say like I want to see all the Europe alone without America. That means America. Hold down your control key now. Click on Canada. Click on France. Click on Germany. Click on United Kingdom. This is your breakdown for the Europe alone. Okay? Now let's see for America alone. America, you have region central, you have northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. This is America. These are all the sales in America for this period. Can you make sense in what you are doing now? Hello?
Hi, sir. Yeah, it's making sense. Thank you.
These are the way you dissect your information that you are presenting to your management. Good. Now, in your filter pane, here is your filter pane, located at the left of the visualization. Notice the filter on this page well area. Okay. Filter on this page. So put your category in this filter on this page well area. So go to your product. Filter is another way to manage to filter your information. The only thing here is that when you apply filter, it's not part of a Power Query. It's within the system. So you can see these are all the sales analysis of your sales based on bikes alone. You can go ahead and see your clothing on clothing alone. You can go ahead and see your component on component alone. Okay, you can see, you can pick all of them. Okay, so bike alone. Good. So if you want to collapse this place, come to this place, look at the arrow pointing upward there, click on it to collapse it. So add other product table fields to the filter on this page. So we are going to add our subcategory under this place. Okay. We are going to collapse it. We are going to add products. That's it. And you are going to add color. So save your Power BI. You've done all I ask you to do. Save it. Any question so far? So finish the design of the second page. We want to design on page 3. Click on plus to have page 3. And it's the final page of our report. The final page of our report, this is what we want to have. This. Can you see what we have here? So we are going to label this one my performance. Daniel, are you with me in this class? Hello, Daniel. Juliet, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, sir.
All right, Daniel. Mariam, are you still there?
Yes, I'm here, sir.
I'm here.
So are you following what I'm doing?
I am following what you're doing, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm following you.
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm actually looking at it. I'll go back to it.
Okay.
Yes.
So, to simulate performance of a row level security, drag the salesperson performance field to the page level filter. Okay, come to this page level filter here. This is a page level filter, this one. So come to your sales performance, drag your sales performance person here. Look for Michael Blacher here and select it. Here, check this. So this page will
Hello, sir. Sorry, did you drag the whole table or just the salesperson field?
just the salesperson
Field.
to filter on this page, just the salesperson and check this. So it's going to filter the information based on this person's alone. So we'll have it. Your slider there. Okay. Your slider again. Put in your year, go to your date and put your year. We'll make it a drop down alone, but let's format it first. Make it bold. Like I said, to make it a drop down. Still come back to slicer value. Make it 18. So the slicer will be like this. So you can pick any year of your choice. But go back to your slicer setting, something is omitted. Under selection, add your all. Select all and run deselect. Then click on the button itself. So let it be on that top corner there. Select your financial year 2019 and leave it at that. So we are going to add multi-row card. Here is come to your visual. Here is a card. This is a card. Okay. There is another card, multi-row. Look at this. That's your multi-row card. So this level you have here and click on your multi-row card. So drag it to this side and expand it to this other edge. Okay. You want to create like a dashboard. If you follow stock exchange, you will see what I'm trying to do here in your stock exchange. We are going to add the following 4 fields to this our multi-row card. So come to your sales and add your sales there. That's your sales value. You want to see your summary information at summary. Come to your targets. Check your targets. That's your target summary. Under your target, we have variance. Check variance. And we have your variance margin. So these are the 4 items you will add. Okay. Come to your multi-row card. Click on the format here. You will see a call out values. Okay. Expand this. Change the font to Times New Roman. We agree. Then change this one to 28 or 30. Let it be bigger. And make it bold. Okay. Come to your category label. All this one below. Make it time romance. So that's that. So then come to your general here, under effects and background here. Give it a grade, 20% this. Do you see what I'm doing? That's a dashboard for you. If I pick 2020, value will change. 2021. So 2020, look at my sales, target, variance, and variance margin. Look at 2021, look at 2022, look at 2018, look at 2019. Good. So that's how to create. Tomorrow they may ask you, your management may ask you to create a dashboard, or they may want you to create a kind of summary of your values in such a way that they can see at a glance. That's what you can do. Now, uncheck this. We want to put in a clutter bar chart. Look at the third button here. That's clutter bar chart. Click outside and click on it. So it's asking you that we want to create a column bar chart report. Expand it to half of your canvas. So expand this Okay, now having done that, this look more than half of your screen. So add the following months from your date to y-axis. So come to your date, add your months to y-axis, this place. Then add your sales. Check it. That's your y-axis. Then you have this. Add your targets to it. So you have this type. Okay. So you can see that it's showing me sales and target by month. Sales and target by month. Good. To create a copy, we want to make a copy of this graph. So click on the empty area there and click on Ctrl C, Ctrl V. That's to duplicate it. So you can drag the other one to this side. So it's like equal half. But modify our visualization. Click on the second one this time around and click on the next one, which is column charts. I just want you to say the mode, the way you can design your pane. Okay? So you can also have this type of arrangement of your charts. This chart is not necessarily the same thing. I'll show you how to show your values, total sales, even loss, number of customers we have, depends on the information you want to display. This takes me to the end of your report design, but there is a step we need to close with. Let me go to my own. Because I've done something ahead of you, let me come and clear my screen. Okay. Let me do something. Let me come to my Power BI service. I want to publish my reports. Hello, class. Are you together here?
Yes, sir.
This is how, when you are working, this is where you work with all the stakeholders in your office. But mind you, remember I told you as a data analyst, you are not the owner of the data. They give it to you. With the current way we are working across the globe, some of your stakeholders will be in Berkeley, some will be in Kent, some will be in US, some in us, just like the class we are in now. I have Aminat in Australia. I have one of us in Paris. Who is in Paris among us? Remind me.
Albert.
Come again.
I think Albert is in France.
That's
Albert is in France.
okay. Albert is in France. quite number of you are in United Kingdom. In that United Kingdom you are in itself, you are not in the same location. Some are in Hampshire, some are in Kent, some are in London, some are in England, some are in Tennessee, some are in Manchester United, some are in Liverpool, all along like that. After you finish your report, again, I told you never take to board or management without stakeholders having input. How will your stakeholders have input in your report after you finish design? The quick one is to publish to the Power BI service for all of them across the globe where they may be to connect and review the report. And how will you do that? Let me show you how to ignore the first part I want to do here. I am doing the cleaning because I published there before. So HTTP, whatever I'm doing here at the moment, please ignore it. But it's part of your class. Okay. So you type, take note of this thing when you want to do your own. Take note of this thing. Let me even copy it to your chat area here. Take note of that. HTTPS app powerbi.com. Okay, so log into your Power BI Power Service. Okay, on a good day, I shouldn't have look at under my workspace. So under my workspace, click on my workspace. So I shouldn't have anything here. So, but because I work ahead of you, so I'm going to remove it. This is how empty should be. Nothing should be there. Okay, it's because I've gone ahead of you a bit. So when that place is empty, you come back to this place. You want to publish your report. All page 1, page 2, page 3, page, all this is your report. So click on your page 1. Okay. Come to home here. Click on home. On the right hand side, look at publish. Click on your publish. Okay, sorry. Save your Power BI file before you publish. Click on file, save. So I've done that now. So click on publish. So click on publish. Okay, it's going to come up with this. Are we together? Okay, so it's going to come up with, if you have not signed in before, you must sign in with your email like I show you. Okay, so select my workspace here. Okay, so when you click on my workspace, click on my select. So click on select here. So it's telling you publishing to Power BI. So you leave it. So it's saying it has published it. So click on got it. So your Power BI has been published to Power BI service. So come to your Microsoft recommend you make use of Microsoft Edge. So let me click on Microsoft Edge. You can use your Microsoft Edge or your Chrome. So if you have not logged on to your home, make sure you sign, use your student01.stera to connect your Edge. So here, type what I typed the other time, HTTP. Yes. So it's going to come up with app.powerbi because I connected here today. So connect with your student account. So click on my workspace. When you click on your workspace, so look at your sales analysis. And sales analysis here, this is your data set. Okay, this is your data set. And this is your sales analysis. If you click on it, so it comes up with your screen like this. If you watch out now, what you see on your Power BI desktop here, look at your page 1, look at your page 2, page 3, and look at your profits. So look at your performance. Everything that you design in your Power BI page is what you publish here. As it is in Power BI service, anybody all over the globe that has this URL can have access to this. And if that person has permission to your environment, tomorrow you might travel to Canada for a training and they still want you to work in office. As long as you have permission on your own environment, you'll be able to log on to a Power BI service and have access to whatever information you have there. Am I communicating? So that takes me to the end of that lab. Any question for me? I want to assure you, the more you practice, the more you understand. The more you practice, the more you understand. Okay? So there is a part of it that we need to say so that before we move to the dashboard. We still have one class more, correct? This is our 11th class. We have one more class.
I think so.
Huh?
Possibly, but maybe not next week. Um, I mean,
What's happening next week?
so we have a individual demo next week, and it might take all week. So I'm not sure if we're going to have classes at all next week. But we'll confirm from Allow Me and come back.
Okay. Okay, oh, so that we can finish your course. We still have some minutes to go. I want us to enhance this report. This is where all your job as a data analytics, all the grammar you'll be speaking. This is your canvas. This is your workroom. This is where you show your information to management. This is where you show them your graph. Eh? This is where you say this is the summary of your data. Nobody needs interest, nobody has interest in your total information. They just want to see the summary that they are showing here. Okay? So this is where you demonstrate it. Let's enhance this part. When you click on overview here, see I pick financial year 2020 here. Come to performance. What financial year do I have here? 2019. This can give me a misrepresentation of information. I need to sync my financial year slicer on page 1 with financial year slicer in page 3. Okay? Likewise, there are some things under your overview. You have your region slicer. Then you also have your overview region in profits here. So whatever you pick here is not the same as what you are picking here. So good. Now we want to do one or two things to make sure it's better and perform better. So go back to your Power BI desktop here. So we want to sync our slicer. That is, we want them to synchronize. So save your lab here. Save this. So I want to sync the I want to sync the year and region slicer. The year to what I have in my performance. So then region to what I see under profits here. I want to sync them together. Good. In your overview, this place, pick your financial year 2018 here. So my year slicer set it to 2018. Okay. Not the regional one, no. Leave it out. Yeah. Sorry. 2018. Okay. Good. So leave it at that. Come to performance page. See your year slider is on 2019. Okay. So come to your overview here. Click on your year slider. On your view ribbon, under this view. Okay. Click on sync slider. Look at your sync slider here. Click on it. On your sync slider on the right hand side, so on this side, the default one, the one that has been selected will be shown here, but your own that is controlling your own now. Okay, so this one is telling me that overview, that's my overview. Okay, so come to this place. So your year slider here. Okay. So under your slider here, look at this place, click check overview here and check my performance. You are saying that in overview page, sync in overview and my performance, sync overview of the and performance of the two of them. So that whatever I does to one will reflect for the other one. Okay, so go to your original settings, this. Okay, so look at your region slider. Come here again. Can you see the two page that has a slider region is your overview and profit. You have your overview and profits. Okay. Okay. So come to this place, check your overview and profits, so that whatever you are doing to one will be applicable to the other one. So now let's test it. Click outside. Look at your region or look at your year 2018 here. Let me go and pick performance. Can you see that the year is the same now? Hello? Hello, am I with the class?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Right here.
Okay. So go to your overview again. Pick, let's pick European region. Click Australia one. Hold down your control key. Take note of something in profit. Can you see that? Let me Okay, I want to make sure nothing is selected. So see your performance, sorry, profit. Can you see that nothing is selected? So I'm going to overview now. Okay, and I want to pick Europe, Australia, hold down your control key. I want to pick Canada. I want to pick uh, United Kingdom. I want to pick Germany and France. So these are all the region I pick here. Let's go to profits. Can you see now that whatever you are doing on one page is happening on the other because they be synced together? You will not need to throw away things now. The next one we want to look at is we want to drill down. How do you drill down of your information? Okay, drill through. We want to create a new page. Create a new page for this. Click on plus and name it product details. So double click on it and call it product details. Right click on this product details and hide it. Okay. You hide it. If you come to your if you publish it, you won't see this product details page. It will show for you. You will see that later. Okay. Okay. Now, behind the visualization pane, come to this place. Look at your drill down through here. Add category to this drill down. The one you want to go to products, add your category to this place. The one you want to see in details. So the moment you add value to your drill down, it's going to add an arrow button for you to go back to that page whenever you find yourself. Okay? Okay, select your bike. Okay. We want to test it. We want to test that and drill down. Science goes on. So see the notice this arrow on top there. Now add a card visual to the page and resize it to so it size the whole of the screen. Here is card. They select, click this side, click on card. This is a card. Drag it to fill. Drag it to be at the corner here. So drag this thing to fill the whole of the entire page. Okay. Having added the card, sorry, just one corner here. Yeah, that's what it. So the next thing we are going to put on this card is our category of products. So come to product, drag category, you see that?
So where did you
So
get the card?
look at my screen. Can you see this is card?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So do you see this arrow in your own? Hello, do you see this arrow? This arrow on the
Yes.
left-hand corner. Okay. So let's format our advice. Come to this place under your category label. Hold on. Value. Okay, that value there. Then make it bold. This label, I don't even need it. Off it so that I don't show label. Okay. So look at your, leave your back like that. So go to general effects, background. So is that for me supposed to no, no, 20. Okay. Juliet, are you with me?
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Oh, okay. So Nick, welcome on board.
You see me, sir.
Yes. So now having done that, add a table visual. We want to add a table visual. Table. So come to this place. This is your table. Click, deselect your bike, come to your table, click on it. So table will be below here. Expand this. Okay. Now to your table, add the following fields. Come to products. Under your product, put your subcategory days. So having done that, quickly format before you add other things. Come to your column headers. Make it 20. Bold it. Under the values, time romance, make this guy 18. Okay. So go ahead and add your products. So go back to this, your visualization. come to this under your product, put color. You have your color like that. Then under your sales, so collapse this under your sales, put your sales there. Put your, quantity before sales, quantity, then sales. Then finally profit margin. This arrangement. Okay. Let me see my values again. It's C. Okay. Juliet, you want to talk to me?
No, that wasn't me.
Okay. Configure the format order for the visual and the value section, set tests. Okay. We are able to set this guy to 20. So let me come back here. I made the value 20. Okay. Then I made the heading 25. Okay. Now having done that, we want to add conditional formatting to it. In this exercise, we want to enhance the drill down. So click on this table visual. Come to your profit margin under your, look at your profit margin here. Click the drop down arrow here. Pick conditional formatting and pick icons, this icon. So it comes up with this page. Okay. Take out the middle one. I want the circle and diamonds. So let's configure the first rule. Okay. Under format styles, so in the icon format layout, sorry. Okay, icon layout. So pick right of data here. Okay. So in the second control, this one, remove the value 0 there. In the third control, this, number. The fifth control, this, turn it to 0. And finally, put this one as number. Okay. For the second one, this one, remove it and put 0 there. So come to this place, make it a number. The fifth one here, this. Leave it at that. And here, number. So you have minimum number, zero number, maximum number. Okay. So click OK. Check, look at the way that screen looks like. If you follow what I'm doing, that's what your screen will look like.
Okay.
So what to
Out.
you do what?
The okay is graded.
In your own?
Yes.
Did you select this button? Did you select your table visual? Did you add table visuals under your bike?
Yeah.
And you select it like this, and you now come to profit margin.
Yeah. I think I did the minimum zero maximum. Is that correct?
Hold on. Conditional formatting, icon. This will take me there now. Check what I have in my own. You change your icon layout to right of data. You remove the middle one here. This one is a 0. So
Right. Oh.
data. Hold on. Okay. This one, this one supposed to be this one supposed to be minimum 0. Remove the value here. Minimum number.
Okay.
This one is a
Number.
0. Here number. Then this
Both
one
number.
is 0. Number.
Yeah.
This
It's
one is
working.
okay. So let me cancel this. It's working. So you have that. So let's configure our background color. So come to your profit margin drop down arrow here. Click on conditional formatting, the background color. So it comes back like this. In the format style, this one, drop down list, click feed value. Okay. What feed should we base this on? Here. Click the arrow down here. So come under your products. Under your formatting, click on background color formats. So when you are through with that, click OK. So repeat the same thing for your conditional formatting, font color. It comes up with this. Come under this, please, feed value. Here, tell him that product formatting, font color. So that quick want to round up, want to add bookmarks and buttons to our reports before we round up. So give me some minutes. Let's finish this part that will close it. Click on my performance. Want to add bookmarks to this. On view ribbon here under view. Inside this our show page there. Click on bookmarks. So you come up with this. Click on selection. Next to the bookmark, you have this. Inside the selection pane, beside the sales target month, look at sales target by month, sales target by month. Look at this. If you click any of these hide buttons, go to hide either of them, hide it. So you can hide any of them. So let me click on the first one to hide this bar. On the bookmark page, click on add. Okay. So on the bookmark one, click on type, rename it bar chart on. Okay. So want to edit this one, click on this. We don't want it to hold on to the data on your page. So click here, remove the data so that it's not attached to data. Then click the button and click update so that it only hold on to it doesn't hold on to your information. So it won't be using the current future state. It won't carry the current future state. Okay. It might permanently lock to year 2019 if you don't do that. So go back to our selection page. Under the selection page. So click this one again to bring the first one and hide the second one. So click on this bookmark 2. Double click. This time around, call it column chart on. So remove data, update it. So if you click on this, sorry, let me delete this. So add, let me just add it. Yeah. Okay. I think something is wrong with my. Let me delete this thing. Okay. I'm not getting what I want. Okay. This, I will hide it. I'll add the bookmark. Call it uh, slash, then now, this, then I will come here and toggle it. This, then I will add the second one. Okay. Aha. Aha. This is what I want to do. Okay. Now you will not be able to see all these things on your Power BI service. So we need to create a button So close the slicer. Minimize this. Yeah. Okay. Now we want to add buttons to this and assign the two bookmarks to it. So come to your inserts inside the element group, click on image. No, under buttons, click that drop down arrow here. Select your black button, this. Okay, that's your button. So on the format button pane, expand the style and on your text property and type put bar charts on it. Make it bold. Twelve or 15. Okay. I want it left-sided. Okay. On your fill, okay. Font color, pick this, okay. So under the action on your button action, under the type, make it bookmark. Under your bookmark, select this. This one is going to be connected to your bar chart on. So when you are through with that, right click on it, create copy it, and paste. Ctrl V. Make a copy down. Okay. This time around, simply go to the action. No. Come to the style, text. This time around, change it to column chart. Okay. Keep all of that things. Come to the action. This time around, column chart on. Okay. We jump something before come to the view. Under bookmark, okay. Okay. So click on expand this thing to have on the view to cover the whole of the page. Expand this. To cover the whole of the page. So you can alternate. Okay. Good. So save your Power BI now. This button will only work when you get to Power BI service. So go to your overview page. Let's publish. Come to home. Publish. So click on my workspace. Select. So we are publishing to the Power BI service environment. So it's asking us that you already have a data set name sys analysis in the Power BI, replacing the data set may impact. Say replace, yes. Because you are uploading your new additions. So success, click OK. So go to your Power BI, come to this place and refresh. Okay, you can see that. Do you remember that we have a page we just added there? This product page is not good. I told you it's not going to show it. So we'll see, we'll see later how we'll get it. So come to your overview. Okay. So now let's start from overview. Select financial year 2020 here. Do not select any region. So come to your my performance. Can you see it has changed the year to financial year 2020? So whatever you do there is going to do the same thing here. Go back to overview. Under your region slicer, let's pick American region alone. So click check central first. Hold down your control key, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Can you see what you picked? Go to your profit page. Look at your regional slicer. So you've already synchronized the region slicer and the year slicer. Okay? Come to overview again. So this time around, unselect your region. Okay? Leave it as financial year 2020. Now we want to make it of drill down of your, we want to see what this guy will do. This is your product details. So let's come back. Come to your clothing on this quantity by category. Right click on this clothing. Look at your drill through. Can you see it? Click on it. It's saying product details. Come to product details. See what it does for you. It's showing you the details of your clothing. Look at the arrow to the right here. Click on it. It will take you back to the page. Let's right click on bike. You want to drill through your bike. Product details. Can you see your bike? It shows information of your bike alone. So you look at your component, right click on it, drill through, product details. You can see your product details there. And finally, you can see, drill through, product details, any of them. That's the way it's working. So look at you can decide to drill down to see all your details or close up, anyone. So if you drill down, if you scroll down, you see all of them. So this, okay, look at your bar chart. Click on bar chart, can you see? Now I told you when you're on the design page, this button will not work here. This button has no value here because in this place, this on your table, you know what you have there. This is where you are showcasing it to your management so that they want to see the bar chart, the column chart. So this is demonstration of your button. So this brings me to the end of this lab. Thanks for your cooperation. Any question? Hello, class.
Hello, sir. No question from me. Thank you.
Okay.